Today I have a short video, but I feel this message is extremely important. Recently, I've heard a couple different people say that they felt homeschoolers were at a disadvantage because they wouldn't learn how to deal with bullies at school. And it brings up the question, does bullying make children stronger? Should we leave children in bullying situations so that they learn how to work through it and deal with bullies? Studies show that bullying can have a massive damaging effect on children, damage that can even last a lifetime. I've actually linked a bunch of studies and articles in the description below that explain that bullying is actually a form of child abuse. Simply and directly put, the National Foundation to End Child Abuse and Neglect explains, being bullied isn't an effective way for children to learn how to be tough or resilient. Research shows that children who are victims of bullying can have the same long-term effect of other forms of child abuse. Also, a study published in the Lancet Psychiatry reports that children who were bullied by peers had significant mental health problems as adults. And this is what's interesting, even more than children who were mistreated by their parents or caregivers. So how can children gain strength? How do children gain strength? How do they become resilient? How do they learn to manage adversity? Children do not have to face bullying to become strong. That is like saying that child abuse makes children stronger. Just as we would protect a child from abuse, we should protect them and rescue them from bullying situations. Facing harshness and meanness and unkindness is not what creates strength in children. Strength and resilience come from strong and healthy relationships with adults. It comes from being in healthy environments where children feel protected and safe. It comes from strengthening faith, from learning to work hard and be creative and problem solve, and from allowing appropriate risks and choices when the child has the emotional and spiritual maturity, discernment, and strength for that risk or choice. If you ever wonder if bullying is okay for your child, if they will make it out stronger in the end, please remember that bullying is abuse. And study after study after study shows that bullying can result in massive lifetime damage to children, or worse. Not only is it okay to pull children out of bullying situations, it is our obligation as adults to do so. Showing our children how to set a boundary and walk away from a harmful, unhealthy situation not only helps your children now, but it teaches them how to walk away from unhealthy situations in their adult years. Next week, I'm releasing a video that I've been working on for a while and I'm really excited about. It addresses the question, does homeschool prepare children enough to face the world? So look for that very soon. I hope the information I shared today was helpful for you personally and will also be helpful as you support and encourage other parents in trying to figure out how to navigate this difficult world we live in. May you be blessed in your efforts to raise your children in light and beauty.